Indeed, as one of my favorite rugby commentators would say, what an unbelievable career it was, and we celebrated proudly as South Africans. As we celebrate this young man over here who's at a very important part of his artistry as a musician. He's releasing his debut EP today. His name, Latheem Gabriel. Make sure that you remember that name. So tell me what it is that people can expect from your music, it coming out today. Where can they get your EP? Where is the big launch happening?
Well, the launch is happening in Greenpoint, here in Cape Town, and it's going to happen this evening. It's exclusive, so it is by invite only. But we are wanting to run like a sort of incentive for anybody who does want to come to the launch out there. They can just email me at latheem.gabriel@gmail.com. And the first 10 people to email me will get tickets to come and see the launch.
Fantastic stuff. And not only are you an artist and a musician, you're also an activist. And I understand that you've also done work, you've directed and produced a documentary addressing LGBTQ issues in the Islamic community. Tell me more about that project and how it was received.
Well, it was a difficult project to begin with, certainly not a popular one. We sort of went along the Southeast Asian archipelago to try and get a feel of different experiences of LGBTI Muslims in their own particular contexts. And it wasn't well received. It got a lot of exposure around the world at festivals and stuff. But I think because it's such a sensitive issue, it's not something that's going to be widely spoken about, particularly within Islamic circles, I think.
Yeah. And is this something that a message that you want to still carry through your music as well?
Well, I mean, my 12-year experience as an activist has certainly influenced my music.
Yes.
So I write about all kinds of things, economic imbalances, socio-political issues, you know, family dynamics, relationship dynamics, you name it.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for the work that you do, and good luck with the launch this evening. Right now, about to perform the very first single from that EP to be launched tonight is called Mr. Walk of Shame.
Hey, do you remember me? You walked by today, didn't spare a glance my way. Yeah, this face, the one you called pretty, I guess that was yesterday. Today's a different game you play. Was I too needy to feel it too kind? Didn't I give to you and praise you most of the time? So why wasn't I good enough? Maybe you're just messed up. Whatever the case, the truth still remains. I come so far, then I'm back here again. Mr. Walk of Shame. Hey, it's not like you told me you love me. It's not like your touch was insane. So why can I move on, forget your name? Was I too keen to feel it too blind? Didn't I give to you and praise you most of the time? So wasn't I good enough? Or maybe you're just messed up.
Feel Good production.